Here we have a little damage on our carpet caused by our bad robot. Now the main problem is that the carpet was cut on a bias. The carpet is cut at an angle and it causes little frayed pieces to be available for the robot to pick up. So we have this hot glue gun. We've got tweezers, comb, brush, something heavy and cold to set on top of our patch, and we're going to give it a try here. Alright? So we're going to put just a tiny bit of glue where the carpet has to come together, and then a tiny little bit of glue where the carpet has to tuck down to the tile. So we're carefully put a piece of blue tape over the tile so we're not goobering the tile up with glue that's difficult to get off. And we're also going to put a piece of blue tape here on the edge holding the fibers to the side. You also want to be careful so that none of these fibers are in the area where you're trying to glue the backing on the carpet to the backing on the damaged piece of carpet. So that's our next task, is to figure out how to put the blue tape in the right spot. Once you start reusing blue tape, you'll find it's pretty addictive. Now, with the assistance of somebody holding the carpet up, we're going to glue right along the very edge of the tore piece and right along the very edge of the good piece. Then we'll also put just a little bit of glue along the edge on the floor to hold down that very corner, which is a little risky, but we're going to do it. I'm not going to film it when I do it because, you know, it'll get screwed up with too much glue. We're putting a little triangle piece of wood over our patch, which is just about the right size, and a heavy piece of metal, and we're hoping this looks just like brand new. Now that I can touch the end of the hot glue gun, I know my glue on the floor is dry enough for sure. I'm going to move the heavy weight. You can see the little piece of wood we have over our patch, and it looks pretty good so far. Let's try a little bit of brushing it like you would a pet's hair. That looks pretty good. In fact, it almost just plain disappeared. You can kind of see where the patch is because of the layout of the room, and having seen it done, it comes right along in here, but you really can't see it. And it's tucked along the tile, which is pretty easy to do. Just use a old butter knife, kitchen knife. So we'll see how it goes later, but it looks good now.